Ladies and gentlemen, I have given you my breakout strategy on how I use the whole moving average and the McGinley moving average on breakout trades for US 30 and NAS. I've given you how I breakout trade using natural gas, and I also have given you how I use mean reversion for trading Ethereum. Now I'm giving you the sauce, all right? I'm giving you the breakdown. If I knew what I know now, okay, and I started from day zero of finding out what prop firm trading was all about, this is exactly what I would do if I literally just had 50 bucks, okay? Because some people, even when they want to go into the world of prop firm trading, the whole point is because we want to scale our capital as traders. But even then, it costs a little bit of something to pay for the challenges and get through that hurdle, right? So we're going to get into literally how if I just started with $50, how you can literally scale $50 all the way to a live funded $300,000 account. So without further ado, let's get into the video right now. And real quick, if you want to watch me trade live, I do this in my Discord. Go over and click the link in the description below. You can join the trade group where from Wednesday through Friday, I live trade with all of us in there. We're always improving. Like, it's honestly an amazing Discord. We're growing very rapidly, and I would love to have you in there if you want to come in there. I show all of the different trades I do with all the different strategies I provided on this channel. So if you want that more intimate one-on-one setting and ask any questions, go on over there into the Discord. I'd love to see you there. Okay guys, now notice how the first thing I am showing you when it comes to scaling a prop firm trading portfolio is you need consistency, right? Like, so many people, and I know a lot of people are probably going to try to skip through this, whatever. This is so important, okay? If you want to scale your portfolio of building all these different funded accounts so that way you can grow your capital for trading, you need to be consistent. So many people, they're going through these challenges for trading prop firms, and they're trying to find their consistency and their strategy and their plan as they are trading a funded account. And I like to make the analogy, if you are going to take a driving test, right? You don't want to learn how to drive that vehicle as the instructor is in the car grading you on passing the car, right? Like passing the driving test. Like, that would be crazy. Like, no one does that. You would fail instantly. So why would you go and treat the same thing, same concept as going into a traded, funded challenge, and you're still trying to find who you are as a trader in that challenge? That's absolutely crazy. You do not want to do that. So make sure, and I'm going to make a whole video on this, so if you want to understand that, click that subscribe button down below. But when it comes to this video, you need to reach a level of consistency. You need 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks of solid consistency in a demo account, not a live account. We're not messing with live accounts. Just get a demo account and find that consistency. Find a strategy that works. Find the rules that work for you. And again, I'm doing a whole video on this, on literally starting from zero, on understanding your psychology and who you are as a trader. But when it comes to this is so crucial, okay? So if you don't even have consistency yet, save this video for another time, bookmark it, whatever, or you can watch this all the way through just as a general foundational knowledge. But do not go through this video and then think that even if you don't have consistency, you can do this, because I promise you can't. You have to be in a level of consistency, and you have to understand who you are as a trader, your strategy, following your rules to a T. Your psychology has to be good. You have to be well-rounded and well-developed before you even get into the challenges, okay? So I hope I harped on that enough. So after you find your consistency, after you find who you are as a trader and what keeps you profitable and what maintains your profitability, and you can still have, down weeks and even in your demo account. The thing is, you have to stick to your rules, because you're going to have down weeks in your live accounts too. You have to stick to your rules and stick to your foundational knowledge of trading. And if that over time is giving you week over week success, then you're going to be fine long term. So we're going to start with a $49 rapid account. Now, what we're talking about today is my Forex Funds. So if we go over here to this website, and I'm not sponsored by them, I'm not paid to do this or anything like that. I found this out about a few weeks ago when I was even starting with these guys, and I was honestly really shocked about this. So before I talk about this, I want you all to understand, when you are starting out building your foundation for this, your first goal isn't to get rich tomorrow, right? That should be no one's goal. And if it is, you're probably going to fail instantly. So I want you to bear that in mind before I show you this. It's not about making that fast money, big money right away. It's to build that foundation so that way you can grow from it, okay? So when it comes to this rapid challenge, they have a really unique challenge that I've I don't think I've seen any other prop firm offer. Now, that doesn't mean that it's not out there. I just personally haven't seen it. So they have this really cool challenge where you just pay a flat fee and you actually get access to the capital right away. You don't go through a challenge. You don't go through a phase 1, phase 2 process. The only catch to this is you only make 12% on the profit you earn. You don't make the full profit share of whatever, of 80% in this case for my Forex funds. Now, a lot of you are like, oh my gosh, Austin, what the heck? I want to make money. I want to buy a Lambo tomorrow. This isn't about getting rich, okay? This is about setting a foundation to where you can get into this for $49, okay? And then you just have to make one payout, and you're going to see how this works and how the math works. And then you can start, you just instantly make that 49 bucks back, and now you're risk-free, and you keep on building your accounts, okay? So just bear with me, all right? So you're going to make 12% off this. The daily drawdown and the overall drawdown are literally the exact same on the normal evaluations, so it's not like you have strict daily drawdown or anything. You're actually using and practicing the same fundamentals that you would for the evaluation accounts. You're using the same leverage, and it's just a $99 registration fee, right? So you're literally using this as a stepping stone for that actual, live funded accounts. So here's how the math works. So if we go over here to the whiteboard, we have $99 rapid account. You pay the $99 fee, and then you make 13% on that $10,000 rapid account. Now, why 13%? Because here's the thing. You've already went through the foundational building of finding your consistency, finding your profitability. You've already created yourself as a well-rounded trader. That's what you've already done. You should not be, again, doing this in this part. What you should be doing right now is building that stepping stone as far as capital to then continue to scale. So when you get to this point, you'd be like, well, Austin, why should I make 13%? Why is that the number? Well, if you go to the normal evaluation account, the normal funded account, you have to make 8% on phase 1, 5% on phase 2. So not only are you continuing to practice how you trade and continuing to get better, you're making a little bit of side money on the side. You're making that little 12%, but you're also literally practicing exactly how you would get tested in a normal evaluation. You have to make that 8%. So if you go to the evaluation side over here, you have to make 8% on phase 1, 5% on phase 2 right here. Add that together, 13%, right? So this builds your confidence. You're building yourself as a trader, and you're also building your foundation to earn more money as a trader or making the same percentage, okay? So if you go over here and you find that, okay, well, if I can make 13% on my $10,000 account, doesn't matter if it's a week, 2 weeks, 5 weeks, a month, whatever, however your trading plan makes that 13%, it's up to you. You only have to make 3 minimum trades in that rapid account. Okay, so this is the really cool thing. And I'm sure a lot of you are taking at least 3 trades a week in however you trade as far as your strategy goes. So when it comes to making 13%, however long it takes you to make 13%, we're not saying you're going to make 13% in a week or 2 weeks or whatever. That's crazy, right? Some people can't even make that in a month. It's totally fine. However long that takes you, you can build your confidence, and now you can understand, okay, it takes me about this long to make 13%. So now you're going to take this and you're going to make 13% off that rapid account. Well, again, if you do the math, if you make 13% on that $10,000 account, you make 12% of that cut. Okay, so that's $1,300, which is the 13% of $10,000. Your cut is $156. You've now earned $156, however long that took you to do, and look at that. You've already made back your 99 bucks. You are now in the funded game, risk-free, building your foundation. Like, that's how cool this math really works out. So now that you made $156, your first payout from your rapid account, however long it took you to make that 13%, you're now going to take you're going to apply for a $20,000 evaluation. So again, if we go back to the normal evaluations, we see the $20,000 evaluation. Again, same drawdown percentages, 5% drawdown right here, 12% overall drawdown is $139. Well, you made $156. So now you're well over the $20,000 fee. Okay, so you pay the $139 fee for the $20,000 account. You still, keep in mind, here's the cool thing about scaling this and compounding it exponentially. You still have your $10,000 rapid account. Now you're applying for a $20,000 My Forex Funds true evaluation account. As you're going through the phases here, All you have to do is simply hook up your $10,000 account to a copy trading software. Social Trader is what I use, but there's many out there that you can use as far as copy trading. And I'm not talking about copy trading like copying somebody. I'm talking about the softwares where you hook up your main account and you can set it to where it also executes trades on all of your other accounts. So that way you don't have to go back and forth and trade 1,000 times on all these different accounts. So as you're conducting trades on your $20,000 valuation, it's also conducting trades on your rapid $10,000 account. So once you pass phase 1, you make also 8% on your rapid account, which would equate to $800, $96 that you would net. And again, look how cool this is. And this is why I really like my Forex funds. You make 2% on your phase 1. Okay, so in phase 1, 2% of that 8% for a $20,000 account would equal to $32. You can do the math, but if you want to trust me, just trust me, it's $32. And then you would pass phase 2. Phase 2 is 5%. Another $20,000 of 5% would equate to $40 because you make 4% on phase 2. You make 2% on phase 1, 4% on phase 2. And then you pass phase 2, and then also 5% of that $10,000 on your rapid account would be another $60. And again, the cool thing here is this is assuming you would take that $96 out and then start back at 10,000. If you leave that in there, then you could see how you could compound this, and this could actually be more. But we're just using very conservative numbers here. Okay, so now once you pass phase 2, you made the full 13%. You're fully funded on a $20,000 live account. And here's another cool thing. You get your fee back. You get your actual fee you paid for that $20,000 account back. So now, again, you have this $20,000 account, $139 you got back, plus 12%. This is the crazy thing. You get 112% refund. You can even see it here. You get 112% refund, 2% from phase 1, 4% from phase 2. If we add all that together, I know these are like a lot of numbers. That's why I have a nice little flow chart here. So $155 plus 40 plus 32, the two that you made in the phases, that's $227 you would make literally just passing an evaluation. You got your money back for phase. Oh yeah, and you made $156 in total from your rapid account while passing an evaluation. Now you are fully funded. You make 13%. Again, you just go through the same process. You rinse and repeat. Same strategy, same percentages, same everything. You're just slowly acquiring capital. You're not doing this super quick. You're literally going at your own pace. So this could be 2 months. This could be a 3-month process, 4-month process, however long it takes. But you're sitting here doing it and you're being consistent and patient. And that's what it takes to be a funded trader. That's what it takes to be a trader in general. So now you're fully funded. You're going to strive for another goal of making 13% on that $20,000 fully funded account while also trading that rapid account challenge, and that would equate to another $156, which would now bring your total to $312, and then 13% of the $20,000 after their share, 80% of that profit share would be $2,307, including that money you would make from the evaluation phase. In total, you would have a culminated total of $2,619. You literally turn $99 into $2,619. That's like, I don't even know how many X's that is. That's crazy, right? All from literally just being consistent and slowly building your account as a trader. Now you have $2,619. You have a $10,000 funded account. You have a $10,000 rapid account. Now you're going to apply using some of that money for a $300,000 evaluation. You would say, well, how much is the $300,000 valuation? You come over here to the My Forex Funds evaluation side. Again, this is the normal part of the prop firm. And then you scroll down right here, 300, which is the max you can do. Because at this point, you are so confident in your strategy. You're so confident and consistent. You just need more capital, right? Because you've already found your consistency by demo trading and being consistent on your demo trade accounts. You have now proven consistency with your rapid accounts and actually traded the prop firm standards with the drawdowns, with actually the targets and stuff like that. You've already passed an evaluation, so your confidence level should be very, very high. You should feel very confident in your strategy, even if you take losses, because you know mathematically, as long as your risk reward is high and your win rate is however it needs to be as far as you're in relation to your risk reward, you are fine. And now you see here the $300,000 is only $1,389, Well, that's good news for you because you have made $2,619. So now it's the same thing, guys. It's literally you just rinsing and repeating. So you take this $300,000 account, you pass phase one making 8%, you're linking that $10,000 account that you paid for, you're linking that up to a copy trader, and you're making 8% on that, which would be $640 net, all the profit shares. You would make 96 bucks here. And again, you can kind of see how this just compounds on itself. As you're trading this account, you're sending trades to your other accounts as well, the same setups, the same trades, and then however long it takes you to pass phase two, you've made another 400 bucks here, you've made another 60 bucks here, all while you're making that money back. You're making 2% on phase one, 4% on phase two. I just didn't include those numbers here, and now you're fully funded. You make 1,040 bucks through that journey with your $10,000 account. You made another additional 156 bucks from your Rapid account through this journey, and now you are fully funded with a $300,000 funded account. You already have your $10,000 account. You have your $10,000 Rapid account. You have $1,196 cash. I mean, come on, guys. Like, that is literally the most simple foundation of building wealth and building prop firms. And then from here, you just start diversifying, right? Because you never want to put all your eggs in one basket with one singular firm. You start to diversify and take challenges with other firms. Hook those up to your copy trading account so you can execute trades on all of them. You go to FTMO, you go to My Forex Funds, you go to a crypto fund trader and link in the description below. Like, there's all these different firms out here that are still really solid, but you're diversifying in case one of them unfortunately goes down, something happens, whatever. You're diversified in a multitude of prop firms. Now, I want to have a really huge disclaimer here when it comes to this is the sad reality is so many people will not go this route. And I want to tell you why, because it takes time. This is not a route that is going to take a month. This may take 4 or 5 months. This may take half a year for some people. It truly depends on your strategy, and it depends on how you trade as a trader, your psychology, what part of the journey are you in. It's so many different factors, right? You don't want to sit here and look at all these different things and think this is going to take a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, whatever. And a lot of people, when it comes to these types of things, they want to just get to that first payout. You should not be focusing on that. You should be focusing on building those fundamentals. Even when you're going through this challenge, just stick to your rules. That's all you should be focusing on. And if you stick to your rules and your rules are statistically profitable long term, you're fine. You just have to literally trade like a robot, stick to your rules like no other, and you're going to be fine. And however long this takes, this is the most simple, in my opinion, however I found it. This is one of the most simple, low barrier to entry options to truly get into the prop firm trading industry and to truly become a legitimate prop firm trader that you literally just started with 99 bucks from. Here's the video, guys. I really, truly hope you found this helpful, especially for the people that are kind of overwhelmed, or maybe they're a little bit intimidated by the fact that some of these challenges are a little expensive. You truly, if you just take your time and you are a patient person, I mean, that is literally a quality you need to be a profitable trader anyways, but if you truly take your time, you look at this as a business, you look at this as a long-term play, that if it takes a year, so be it. If it takes 2 years, so be it. If it takes 3 years, so be it. It's literally, that 3 years is still so small in the grand scheme of your life. And if it takes 3 years to get to the point where you're a fully funded trader making really nice money because you took your time, what's the problem in that? You know what I mean? Like, some people, it takes them 3 to 4 years just to get a bachelor's degree before they're even in the normal career field of their choice, making their salary of choice. Like, that's put life into perspective, and you really are like, this honestly is not bad at all. So I really hope you found this helpful. I really hope it helped you in some way. And if it did, leave any comments in the comments below. If you have any questions, feedback, any other type of videos you would like to see like this, I would love to see that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. As always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and never let anyone tell you that you can't do something they have never done themselves, and I will see you later.